Hello everyone, how are you doing all today? Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can remove the table from the selected range. As you can see, we have an employee list here and the data is converted into table format. But now we want to remove this format and convert our data into normal range. So for that, what you need to do, first you can click any cell inside the table, and now you can see here the table design option popped up. If you click anywhere outside, you can see that option disappears. So now what you need to do, first we'll click any cell inside the table, we go to table design, then in the tool option you can see this option convert to range. Once we click on convert to range, one message popped up, do you want to convert the table to a normal range? Then we'll select yes. Now you can see our table is disappeared, but now color is still there. What we need to do, we want to also remove this color. For that, what we can do, first we'll select all the data, then in home tab we'll go to editing option. From there we'll select this clear option, then we'll click on clear formats. Once we click on clear format, you can see all the colors is already been disappeared. So this is how you can remove the table from the selected data range, and this is how you can do it easily.